This is a 1967-1968 wheel hub bearing assembly with the monolithic rotor. This is a free spinning system. If you look all around the edges, there's no dents or cracks. I'm going to rotate it over as I'm going to have to disassemble this unit and send it out. And again, looking at all the perimeter, following the perimeter all the way down and across and across and across. There is one small void right here, but not a crack. And all the way across, all the way across, all move it over and over. Okay, so the only small imperfection is this right here. This is going to have to be disassembled to remove this rotor, as the rotors are the same, but this is a left-hand assembly. Okay. No cracks, no breaks anywhere. Thank you very kindly. Today is November 14th.